Welcome to the Diecast channel. Today we got some Matchbox to go over, and we got some Matchbox muscles. We got the Camaro and the Corvette. We got the Lamborghini LM0002, the McClaren 720 Spider. We got the 2021 Koenigsegg Jamira, 2020 Corvette. We got the 1966 Dodge Charger, 1975 Opel Kadett. We got the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet, the 1957 Ford Custom 300. And let's start off with some Matchbox muscle. This is the 1969 Camaro SS 396 convertible. That is the front art. That's the back. Set also includes the 2019 Mustang Coupe, the Corvette, which we have, the 2018 Dodge Charger, the 1965 Ford Mustang GT, and the 1970 Plymouth Cuda. These are two I liked out of the set. Alright, let's crack these open. There's the base. I like the wheels. Front. Black interior. This one's pretty sweet. Alright, next up, we got the 2020 Corvette C8 in the orange. Here's the front. Same back. Alright. And let's pull the car out. And here we got the base. Here's the side. Some engine detail, license plate, "70 years," orange color. You can see this one rolls pretty sweet. And next up, let's go with another Corvette. The 2020 Corvette as well, in the white color. So here's the front. It's the back. Let's crack this one open. And here we go. Alright, here's the base. Same base. This one's got the rear decals, while this one don't. I guess because it's got the front hood tampos on it. Pretty sweet. Same wheels, just different color. Engine detail as well. This one's pretty sweet. Alright, next up, let's stick with the American muscle. So we got the 1966 Dodge Charger in the green. Color pretty sweet. There's the car art. There's the back. Alright, let's check it out. Alright. Pretty sweet. Got the black interior. This color's pretty nice. Nice front grille. Got the rear. Nice charger. And here's the base. This color's sweet. That one's sweet. And let's get another American car. The 1957 Ford Custom 300 on the short card. Here's the back. Pretty sweet. And there we go, the red, some chrome trim. The front, Ford. Very sweet. And here's the base. 1957 Ford Custom 300 Matchbox. These are pretty cool. Little hubcaps. Rolls real good. Alright. Next up, another short card. We got the 1975 Opel Kadett in the orange. This orange is pretty cool. Here's the back. Alright, let's crack this one open. So here we have it. Orange. Hubcap wheels. Some front details. Headlights look pretty good. Kadett C plate. Got the rear and front details, so that's pretty sweet. Here's the base. Kadett coupe. It's got a nice interior. It's a weird, normal looking car. I like it. Next up, we got the Lamborghini LM002. So here's the card art. Pretty sweet. Here's the back. Alright, let's crack this one open. There we go. Sweet. LM002 on the plate. Got the Lamborghini symbol on the back. Got some tail lights. Spare tire. Black interior. Pewter exterior. Here's the base. Cool looking wheels. This thing's cool. Rolls real good. Alright, next up, let's get some supercars. We got a 2021 Koenigsegg Chimera. Here's the front card art. Back. Crack it open. And here we have yellow interior. Dang. This thing got back seats. Crazy. Here's the front details. Just Koenigsegg on the wing. It's got some tail lights. There's the base. Pretty sweet. Rolls good as well. And then next up, we got the McLaren 720 Spider in this highlighter color. Sweet color. Looks really good. There's the card art. That's the back. Let's crack it open. This color's crazy. Headlight detail, side detail. Ten spoke wheels. Here's the 720S on the plate, McLaren on the back, got some taillight details. Here's the base. 2019 McLaren 720S Spider. Black interior. Woo! This is sweet. I just like the color on this one. And last up, the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. New for 2024. Sweet. Excited about this one. There's the back. Let's crack this one open. And there we have it. Gold wheels. 10 spoke. Headlight detail. Got the rear detail. 911 on the plate. Black interior. Stick shift, of course. And here's the base. Sweet. It's pretty sweet. Alright. What's your favorite out of choice? Color wise. McLaren. Favorite. Probably Porsche. I do like this green color. This Lamborghini is a cool casting. Let me know your favorite. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you for watching. Peace.